ServiceMaster Restore Plus is here to make local heroes your clients need. Yes, even you. We're revolutionizing the claims process to eradicate disruption to any property, be it domestic or commercial, big or small. Time is money, so when disaster strikes, be it a fire, flood, or natural disaster, seconds are like minutes. Minutes are like hours. You're working against the hands of time. It's a lot of pressure. With Restore Plus, our local restoration experts can be at your door the same day. No lengthy attendances, annoyed clients, admin, delays, or stress. All it takes is one phone call and we deal with the rest. With local disaster restoration technicians, UK-wide coverage, and over 60 years in the game, we're leading the way towards hassle-free, stress-free disaster restoration and making you the local hero your clients need. So whether you're an insurance broker, MGA, claims manager, loss adjuster, or loss assessor, Restore Plus is here. Discover what we can do for you.